Welcome back. Athletics news first up. With 7 days to go before the start of the IAAF World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar, this evening we take a look at the men's sprint relay team and their medal prospects. Denise Walters has this preview.
This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.
Prior to 2009, when Jamaica won its first gold medal in the men's 4x100 meters at the IAAF World Championships, the nation only had 2 medals in that event, bronze from 1987 and silver from 2007. The country's fortunes changed after that, and for 4 straight editions between 2009 and 2015, gold was mined by Jamaica's sprint quartets that had Usain Bolt as the only man to be on all 4 teams, with a world record run in 2011 that would be erased a year later. However, the tide shifted in 2017 when Bolt pulled up injured and the team didn't finish. Since then, Jamaica's sprint quartet has had mixed fortunes, finishing 3rd at the Commonwealth Games in 2018 and 4th at the NACAC Championships the same year. In a similar vein, this year they could only muster 6th at the World Relays in Japan and a 5th place finish at the Pan Am Games in Lima, Peru. But TVJ Sports track and field analyst Dwayne Extall believes that despite the recent poor results, a podium finish is possible in Doha.
It may be difficult, but I said in the beginning that if the men put it together with proper relay practices and relay camps, they can get a medal.
Jamaica's team that finished out of the medals at the World Relays is ranked at number 20 on the IAAF list with a time of 38.51 seconds. However, another track and field analyst, Hubert Lawrence, is of the view that if the quartet can get close to the world leading time of 37.60 seconds set by Great Britain in June, they will be a medal contender as predicted by U.S. publication Track and Field News.
When you amass the personal best, the seasonal best of the Jamaican team for 2019 with the season's best for the world champion British team in 2017, you get a similar number, and therefore with great baton passing and practice, the Jamaican men's team led by Johan Blake and Taekwondo Tracy could go 37-4. And so on that basis, I think Track and Field News has gotten to the conclusion that that team could be on the podium.
Live and exclusive coverage of the IAAF World Athletics Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and OneSportsMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.